So these are our all-electric light towers. This is the PLT 240 or the Link Tower and the CTF 10. They obviously do not have an engine, all electric, so they require shore power, utility power, or being powered from a generator or another light tower. The benefit of these is reduced maintenance. There's no engine, you don't have to change any oil. Obviously, they don't use any fuel, they're all electric. They're more maneuverable. You can see the CTF 10 has fork pockets, so it's a little heavier. It can be moved around. It's got a 30-foot mast. The PLT 240 has a caster wheel and wheelbarrow style handles, so this can be easily moved around. One of the other benefits of these, they can be used inside. If you have an industrial customer that's doing a plant shutdown, they can have these inside if the power's shut off and they need lighting for their workers. This will fit through a standard door. It can be forked with the fork pockets, or it can be moved by hand. All right, as we mentioned, you can daisy chain these together. So on the control panel, we have a 15 amp inlet. So if you're just running one, you plug into this plug. Make sure your switch is on 15 amps. You've got a main breaker and you've got 4 individual light switches. If you want to daisy chain, you need to run it off a 20 amp receptacle. Make sure you use the appropriate extension cord. We offer those as well. But you're going to plug into this 20 amp twist lock. So your incoming power goes here, and then we have a standard duplex outlet there, and that goes from this outlet into this inlet on the next light tower. And so you can daisy chain them together. You can only do 2 because you can't exceed the 20 amp maximum on the receptacle. The PLT 240 also has lockable storage. So you can store your extension cords that go to these units right inside. Obviously they're going to be specialty. They need to be a little heavier gauge to handle the amperage. So you can store them right in here, and that way nobody's grabbing them for another project. Also, if a contractor has tools they want to lock up while they go to lunch, they can stick them in there. That's a simple key lock. This unit has a 16-foot mast. Deploying it's the same as the other light towers. You've got 4 outriggers on this one. You've got a cover over the cable, dual hand crank, same thing, 16-foot mast. This one, very similar. You've got 4 outriggers, 30-foot mast. So you're going to get a lot higher with this one. That's good. What we've seen with these, a lot of schools want these for their sports complex. You know, football, soccer, softball. You know, spring and fall, you have those periods where it's getting dark earlier. This one's only got a 16-foot mast, so it's not going to get up high enough to get all the way across the football field, whereas the CTF 10 is. It's going to get up 30 feet, so it's going to distribute the light and it's going to cover the whole field.